my peeps. I hope you are having a thrilling Thursday. I know it has been a while since we've seen each other. You guys had independent work on Wednesday. We saw each other on Tuesday. Today is Thursday, where now you are having more independent work. Just want you to know that I miss you guys very, 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 very much, and can't wait to see some of you guys in person, and also can't wait to see you guys live and in class on Friday. So what we're going to be doing today is lesson 8. So instead of having a Nearpod, you're just going to have this quick video that you're going to be watching before you work on your independent practice and your exit ticket. All right, so what's going to happen is that we have been going over multiplying multi-digit numbers. We have found the estimated product of multi-digit multiplication, and we have also been using our area model and standard algorithm to find the exact answer for multi-digit multiplication. So what we're going to be doing now today in lesson 8 is that we're going to be combining the two. So I told you before that when we're finding the estimated product, that is giving us a ballpark. It's giving us an estimate. We're rounding, right? Well, that estimation tool that we have in our tool belt is going to help us be able to check or to know if when we are multiplying that we are in the right frame of our number. So I'm going to show you how you multiply 314 times 23. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're first going to find the estimated product. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write down the CFS really quickly. All right, so then step number 1, all right, we're going to round numbers. Okay, we're going to round, or another word for round would be estimate. All right, so we're going to round or estimate our numbers, and I'm going to drag that over so it can be a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to round 314, and we're going to round 23. All right, so again, we're rounding to the largest place value, so our largest place value is the hundreds place. So we're going to be rounding that 3, so we're going to be using the 1 to round. So 5 or more raise the score, 4 or less let it rest. We have 300. And then we're going to round 23, which is going to be 20. And then we're going to take those numbers, right? And we're going to find our estimated product. So then a really quick way for us to find the estimated product when we have hundreds and tens, okay, we're going to multiply 3 times 2, which gives us 6. Here we see that we have 1, 2, and 3 zeros, so we have 1, 2, 3. So then our estimated product is going to be 6,000. Okay, so then we have found our estimated product. Our step number 3 of our CFS, now we're going to multiply using standard algorithm. So we're kind of stepping away. All right, so we're kind of stepping away from that area model that we were using, and we're just going to be using that standard algorithm in order to multiply. Here, I'm going to write this down. So we have 300. Let's change it to a different color. So we have 314 times 23. If you are more comfortable using the area model and then moving to the standard algorithm, by all means, make sure that you use that tool that you are most comfortable with. If you just want to dive right into the standard algorithm, that is perfectly fine as well. So as we're multiplying, we're going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 3 times 1, which is 3. plus 1, which is 4. 3 times 3, which gives us 9. Right, we're going to be multiplying by our tens place. So then we're going to put a placeholder underneath the 2, because now this represents that we have moved over a place value. So we moved over to our tens place. Okay, and then we're going to multiply 2 times 4, which is 8. 2 times 1, which is 2. And then 2 times 3, which is 6. And then we're going to add them all together. So we know 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 9 times 2 is 11, plus 1 gives us 12 again. Drop the 2, carry the 1, and then 6 plus 1 is 7. All right, so then our exact answer is 7,222. Step number 4 is then we're going to determine reasonableness. Okay, and all this means is that, okay, well, once we have multiplied, we have our exact answer and we have our estimated answer. Does our exact answer fall somewhere in the ballpark of our estimated answer? And the answer is yes. Yes, we see that 7,222 is a lot bigger than 6,000, but if we're thinking about this estimated answer, of course, there's multiple ways that you can estimate these numbers, but 7,222 is a lot better than, say, if we got 4,222 for our exact answer or 10,222 in our exact answer. Okay, believe it or not, 7,222 does fall in a good range of our estimated answer. Okay, so these is our CFS. So step number 1, make sure that you round or estimate the number. Estimate is a different word for round. Okay, then you're going to find the estimated product. So we have step number 1, finding the estimated product. Step number 2. Step number 3, we multiply using our standard algorithm. And then step number 4, finding that exact answer and then determining our reasonableness. Okay, so if you feel like your answer is not reasonable, then you need to go back and make sure that you check your answer. Make sure that you pause this video and make sure that you get that CFS written down. Okay, so you're rounding, estimating that number, you're finding the estimated product, multiply using your standard algorithm, and then determine reasonableness. Please, please, please make sure that you watch this video before you go to your independent practice. It is even in the notes of your independent practice, so if you have not watched the video, please make sure you watch it. If you need to watch it again, by all means do that. Again, I miss seeing you guys so much. I haven't seen you guys since Tuesday, so I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful week and cannot wait to see you guys on Friday and then see you guys in person on Tuesday. All right, bye my peeps.